How to enable CBS mobile banking in Indian Bank. Now, the very first thing that you want to do is to locate the application via the Google Play Store if you're using an Android device. In here, you just have to specifically find if it's either going to be an InSmart or the CBS Indian Bank. Now, linking it or enabling it is very easy. All you have to do is to log in using your user ID from that specific bank, and once you've successfully logged in, it will automatically be linked out to your bank. And this is where you can deposit, withdraw via bank transfer, or via any e-wallets that you can go ahead and use. This is very easy. Once again, you just have to download and install the CBS Indian Bank, register your current or your active account specifically from the bank, and that's the time that you can go ahead and enable it. And that's it.